I am so blooming excited to try this. Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. You join me on a cold day in the UK, and I thought, as it's so cold today, I'm going to test out these new lip and eye kits from Primark. Now, Primark Beauty has gone up and up and up in terms of how cool it is lately, and I really do find some amazing pieces in the Primark Beauty ranges. So I purchased a lip kit and I've also purchased an eye kit, and I'm going to test them both out to their full potential in today's video for you guys. Remember, if you do like the video, to give it a thumbs up because you know how much it means to me, and also don't forget to subscribe because a lot of videos go out on my channel and I wouldn't want you to miss any of them. Okay, so let's just get this started. Let's try the lip and eye kits. I'm probably going to try the lip kit first. Really excited to try it. So basically it's the Get Lippy lip kit collection, and it's really blooming glittery, which I love, like even the packaging. And it's called Heaven Scent, and it has a lip cream here, a lip liner and some glitter, and I'm going to use all three. So obviously I'll be using the lip liner first, the lip crayon, and it's like a really nice like baby pink colour. Oh, do you know what? I think I'm going to really like this colour, because I do actually really like baby pink colour on my lips. Oh, am I even in focus? Hello? There we go. I'm going to use my Tarte eyeshadow palette mirror because it's like a really huge mirror and I really like it. So I'm going to first of all use the light pink lip liner and line all of my pinks, and then I'm going, all of my lips, and then I'm going to go in with the rest. Okay, so it comes out quite well, better than I thought, because just swatching on my hand then, I didn't think it would come out, but it is coming out, that's good. Yeah, so obviously the more I'm using it, the easier it is to apply, because it's kind of softening it up. So there's the lip liner. How to use the actual lip cream. It smells actually so nice. It smells like candy or something really sweet. It kind of smells like the Colourpop lip creams. Oh gosh. It's so pigmented. I'm gonna have to turn the light down. Goodness, it is so pigmented. But I think I still like it, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's so pigmented, I've only done one application and I feel like that's enough. Oh, just threw it across the room. Why am I never in focus at the moment? Right, as you can see, I've applied the lip liner, I've applied the lip cream. It's very pink, very pigmented. I kind of like it though, I'm not going to lie. It kind of looks like I have no lips at the moment, but I kind of like it. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply the glitter. I did actually get myself a lip brush because I feel like how else am I going to apply this? And I'm probably going to wet the lip brush a tiny bit. Okay. Oh, I'm not going to lie, I kind of like this look. I really do. Wow, it feels horrible. It feels horrible. I feel like I can't talk either. I have literally disco lips. Duck face. Wow. Let's just carefully put the lid back on that, because knowing me, I'll drop that everywhere. Lip kit, successfully in my opinion, applied. I'm not gonna lie, I really quite like it. So that's the lip kit. Now I'm gonna do the eye testing. So here's the eye kit. So we have the eye balm here, which I put on first, and then the base colour, and then the glitter. So let's put some eye balm on first. With the eye balm, it says to put on with your fingers, so, oh, it's so sticky. Oh my gosh, it's like glue. Oh my god, oh my god. I don't know about this. Oh. Whoa, it's so sticky. So I'm gonna say with this balm, only put a tiny bit on your finger, on your eye, because like it's so sticky. And it feels weird doing it with my fingers. But I wouldn't put a brush in this, because look. Can you? Oh, right. Now for the other eye. It's making my eyelid feel like it's glued open. Because if I look up, it like, oh, it feels like it's sticking. But it's not, it just feels it. I see why it has to be so sticky, because look at that. That is like pencil lead has been sharpened in there, like really thin. I'm going to use this brush, and it's quite a, oh my gosh, this is going to get everywhere. I feel like this is going to be a fail. Oh my god, I feel like I've done something wrong here. I really feel like I've done something wrong. Hang on, it's so hard to blend because the glue, but I suppose actually it's making it quite a smooth blend. Although it's hard to blend, it's coming out quite smooth. Okay, so I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like normally I would blend this a lot better than what I have. I'm probably only going to do this to one eye, but actually it's not looking horrific. So it feels really scary to do this because it almost is too pigmented. But actually the glue stuff, whatever it is, the balm, is making it really smooth if you just keep going at it. I mean, one eye is dramatically different to the other. I don't know why that eye has just gone so much darker. I swear I didn't use as much stuff. I feel like my eyes are getting more and more dramatic the more I go on. And also, the colour is a lot redder than I thought. Right, that is like probably the worst blend job in the entire world, but that's okay because I feel like I'm in a rush to just show you guys what it's capable of. I don't want to perfect it. But yeah, sweet Jesus, look at my eyes. Okay, now I'm going to apply the reddish glitter, and I'm probably going to start in the inner corners of my eyes because that is where I like to have glitter anyway. So if I can get the pot out, I might just use the same brush because I'm feeling like this stuff has kind of ruined this brush. Okay, so dab on the inside. Wow. I mean, I've never had such powerful glitter eyes. And actually, it's gone on a lot nicer than I thought it would, the glitter. Okay, now I wish I'd made more of an effort because this is a statement eye. I just had a mini heart attack because I thought I wasn't filming. Imagine like doing all of this and not filming. I mean, with a lot more blending, that could look okay. And to be honest, like I didn't put the base on properly. So I do suggest you do. So there's the eyes. I mean, the two colours do not match. I thought they would. I went to Primark with the intention of buying matching eye and lip stuff, but they haven't, so excuse like the crazy clashing colours. Okay, so I put my hood up because my hair is actually insane and I just want you to see the eyes and the lips and not get too distracted by my crazy hair. Although they're like ridiculously out there, like major glittery lips and intense reddy glittery eyes, I actually like them both. I'm not gonna lie, like I like them both. I particularly prefer the lips. I'm definitely going to get more of the Primark lip kits from the Primark beauty range and test and review those for you guys, because I just think they're so cool. Like, why spend $50 on Kylie Jenner one when you can get a £2.50 Primark one? A bit cray-cray, a little bit cray-cray. Okay guys, so if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, because you know how much it means to me. Also, make sure you're talking to me in the comments, because I love to have a chat with all of you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!